Hello, and welcome to video one in the video series, Learning to Use Google Docs. So I'm not really sure where you're at, so I'm going to go ahead and start way at the beginning. I'm going to make some of these short. If you want to just comment back and say, hey, I need more on that or I need more on this, that would be fine, and I'm happy to go ahead and go back to it. But I'm going to start actually creating a Google Doc. I'm in my Google Drive. I got there by I clicked on the a waffle over there to go to Drive, or you can type in drive.google.com and it will take you to your Drive as long as you're signed in. To make a new Google Doc, you click on the new plus sign over in the top left corner. Google Docs shows up. Now, if you go over to the arrow, it will give you from a template or blank. The vast majority of people just click on this Google Docs over on the left, and it will pop up on your screen as an untitled document. So, a couple of things to know. There are some similar command rows across the top. I'm going to let you look at those as you need, or let me work on them as you need if you need more information. Of course, with anything, you want to name your document just because you want to be able to find it again. So we're going to make this demo for video. Got that one plugged in. And we're ready to roll. So I guess the first thing I want to show you is there's three things up here. Star simply makes it more easily found. There's a star selection in search in your Google Drive that will let you find it quicker. There is a move. You can move that to a different folder in your Google Drive. If you have Google Drive folders, not everybody does. And then the last one here is to see document status. And if you click on it, it just shows that everything's been changed to Drive. That's going to be an active thing when you're going back and forth. Every keystroke that you make saves. So as you're continuing, this is kind of been a teaching point change. You don't have to remind students to save their work all the time because it saves for you automatically. And so those are kind of the biggest changes. Some of the controls and commands are a little bit different, but I'm sure you'll figure those out. And if you want more specific stuff, that's fine. I'm going to go ahead and stop this one here. And then I'm going to go into what I think you're probably going to want to know more about, and that is the sharing part. So that's creating and saving a Google Drive, and whatever changes are made are saved.